Hi, today we're going to talk about CN inputs. First, let's create a divider. Let's call this CN inputs. Now, CN is used to input values into data. So we're going to first create a data. Let's call this int1 equals 0. And then let's add in CN. And the insertion operator isn't going to go to the left this time. It's going to go to the right. And then we're going to write down int1. So we're going to type in a value into int1. You want to see out here. We're going to say type in an integer, because int1 is an integer, so we want an integer. If it's not an integer, then it's going to give us an error. Next, we want to display the value of int1. So you type in cout here. Now let's run this program. And it says type in an integer. Then the next code is cn. So we're going to type in 1, 2, 3. And here you can see 1, 2, 3 gets displayed. And that's the value that we've typed in. If we comment this out and then run this program, you see that 0 gets displayed instead of our inputs. Now, what happens if we type in a character? It will give us an error. And 0 gets displayed, so it didn't run correctly. So if there was an error, then we might want to do this. You might want to create a character, A, or error, and then let's say cn, while cn.fill, you want to clear the cn, and then we want to set cn equal to the error. And then the next thing we do is the next thing we're going to do is we're going to place an error here, and then we're going to type in cout error. And then we're going to also type in the error you typed in, and then the error. And next we're going to put cn into 1 here, so we can retype the correct value into cn. Let's run this program. So if we type in ASD, there's going to be 3 errors. One's for AS and D. one's for A, one's for S, one's for D, and then we get to our input, and then we can type in 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 gets displayed. If we were to type in QWE, the loop's going to keep on repeating, and the only way to exit out of the loop is if you type in a integer, which is 1, 2, and 3. And we might want to add in here type in an integer. This program is D. You got ASD. And then the value is going to be 1, 2, 3. This is confusing, so we're just going to remove this. And let's run it again. ASD. And there, 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this is it for CN inputs, and thank you for watching.